Good job. Keep going, Max. Hey, this way. This way. There you go. Uh-oh. Get your bucket. Hey, you gotta stay over this way, outside the cones. That's where the figure skaters go. You gotta stay out here. Hockey players skate out here, and figure skaters skate inside the cones. Follow me, ready? Follow me. This way. Alright, I'm gonna skate around. Here I go. Come on, skate with me. There you go. Hey, let's go this way though.